Let's next update the state transition manager script to be able to switch to a double jump character state mechanic. Create a new variable to define if we have already done a double jump or not. Set the can double jump field to true only after jumping, like so. And when we're not grounded, add a new if statement to check if we can double jump, and if so, change its state to the double jump state. We need to set the can double jump field to false after doing so. Let's move this line of code outside the is grounded if statement. We need to make this change to check if we're not falling in every update frame. After that, add a new switch case statement for the double jump right under the jump switch case statement, like so. That way we can just reuse the transition logic.